Hi, this is Brad from T.CON, and today I'm going to provide you an overview before we get started looking at our solutions on some of the aspects we considered when developing the most modern technology for our customers. So T.CON, we started as an SAP system house, doing consultancy for production companies mainly, and we very quickly in our history started developing solutions on the SAP platform for the gaps that standard SAP wasn't able to provide. And that has continued to evolve over the years. And with the newest release of our MES Suite, that has taken a large step forward. So here we have an overview. You can take a look of our MES Suite 7.0. So digitization in production. So classically, we had our MES solution, which was MES Cut, which fulfilled the foundation for what you would expect from an MES. However, we saw in many of our customers, they had additional requirements and additional functionality that was needed. And so as you can see here, there's a little bit of a flower of various different solutions that we've seen that fulfill some unique requirements for customers in various different industries, mainly in production. So we have our CAT element, which is the main aspect of our manufacturing execution. However, we have additional solutions, for example, our trim suite, optimization solution, as well as our enterprise logbook, which is our digitized shift book for operators and producers in production, and our smart IoT application. So in the future videos, we're going to dive mainly into what I would call various different streams of these solutions. So you have our CAT, as well as you'll see how integrated it is moving from CAT to smart IoT or from CAT into ELB, and how that can be utilized and made advantageous for operators in the industry. That's just as an introduction, and the next videos will dive into the system. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy.